Hello everybody, I'm Ben HD. To my left we got co-host Caleb Jackson. On this episode of Today We Drink...
Whoa. You say Today We Drink?
Yeah, I did say Today We Drink. Do you know why? Because we're making 5 mixed drinks. Now I'm going to show you how we do it. Now let's get the show on the road! Here are the ingredients for all the drinks. Alright guys, here are the nutritional facts right here.
Alright guys, we're going to start off with a whiskey sour. To make that, you're going to need 2 shots of your favorite whiskey. We're going to do proper 12 here because Conor McGregor's a beast. In we go. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. That's about right. And then 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And we're going to top all that off with some ice. There you go. Perfect whiskey sour, just like they make at the bars.
Can I have a taste? Let me have a taste. Let me see this.
It's actually really good.
Ooh, that's nice and sour, but whiskey. Ooh, I like that. All right, now let's get to the next drink, boys. All right, guys, now we're gonna make a whiskey ginger. Start off with some ice. Fill up the whole glass. We like it nice and cold, baby. All right, once you got that there, you're gonna get your proper 12. It's my favorite whiskey. And do a full shot of this. That's 2 ounces right here. And then once you got that, just gonna add your ginger ale. You can add your ginger ale to taste. Then once you got your ginger ale added, you get a nice 1, 2, 3. Got your nice lime wedge here. And then we're gonna give it a taste test. Caleb, you wanna come in for a taste test?
I'm down for that.
All right, I'll take the first drink. You'll take the second drink. Ooh, baby.
Strong?
It's a bit strong.
That's good.
It's good though, right?
Good stuff.
The ginger ale mixes well with the whiskey.
Yeah, it complements it really nicely.
Ooh, baby. All right. See you at the mule taste test.
All right, guys, we're gonna make my personal favorite drink, the Moscow Mule. You're gonna need your favorite vodka. Mine's Tito's. Cheap, good quality. They also support dogs, so that's a plus. 2 shots of that. We're gonna add as much or little lime juice as you want. I like mine a little tart, so I'm gonna add quite a bit, maybe an ounce. And then we're gonna top it off with some ginger beer. And make sure you got a copper mug. Copper mug is the signature selling point for a Moscow Mule. And then we're just gonna garnish it with a lime wedge. Make sure it's full of ice. Good to go.
Yo, Caleb, can I get a taste?
Go for it, bro.
Ooh, that ginger beer comes in clutch,
Yeah,
huh?
it does. It's good flavor. Now it's Benny XD's turn to make his favorite mule. Come on, Ben, let's go.
All right, guys, now it's time to make my favorite mule. Do you know what kind of mule it is? A proper 12 mule. All right, so first thing, you got a mug full of ice. Then we're gonna do a double shot of proper 12 whiskey, 2 ounces here. Go you go, in you go. Now that you got that, put this away. Then do some nice ginger beer. Top it off just a little bit. And then my favorite part, you want to make it a little bit tart. That's how you make a good mule. Some lime juice. All right, I think it needs a little bit more ginger beer. You don't have to follow the recipe exactly. You free winged it. And then top it off with a nice lime wedge. What I like to do is squeeze it just a little bit in it, get that fresher lime juice, and dunk it in. Do the nice 1-2 mixeroo. Spill a little bit. Woo! Caleb, that's good. You want to take a taste?
It's a good switch up.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
It's really good.
The fresh lime juice is good too.
Just a nice squeeze.
Yes, perfect.
All right, now let's get to that last mule we got. It's a rum mule.
We're gonna start off with 2 shots of Captain Morgan spiced rum.
Then we're gonna add some lime juice, probably about an ounce and a half.
And we're gonna top it off with the ginger beer just like every other mule.
Then lastly, we're gonna do a nice lime to garnish. I like to squeeze it and then chuck it in there. Cheers, right, Caleb?
Wait. What's that?
That right there? That's a proper 12 shot, if I don't see so.
Can't leave that undrank.
No. Proper 12 shots, always gotta be drinking. Cheers, the Notorious.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you guys, that was a blast making this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all that jazz, you know? Now let's get to drinking, baby. Woo! When I'm older, will you still be my boo, please? I had other girls, but I dropped them all. When you kiss me and you
watching.